Chapel.
I just gotta let you know that girl, you mean the world to me. I just gotta let you know that you the only woman for me, baby.
Welcome back to Ray's Image.
Welcome back, you guys. Hi, I'm gonna spoil it already. Y'all see the title of this video. How are all my beautiful souls out there doing? I'm doing really good. I had a great Monday.
So you already know this is Image. How are my frames doing, yo? I know all my frames are doing wonderful. In the title
of the video,
we got
another one, and this was a video that was supposed to happen, but we had some complications with our snack crate account, and the ones that we wanted were out of stock. And we wanted to do this one next. So without further ado, we got the snack crate. Let's bust this thing open. Bust it open. Bust it open. Want to bust it open? Here, I'll let you bust it open. All right, let me just go ahead and open this for y'all.
Bust it open. What's this? Oh! Which was?
This was not the one that I expected, but
It's from
Finland. We gonna see what this says. What is this?
Finland. The capital is Helsinki. Say about it. Helsinki.
Oh, Helsinki.
Established December 6th, 1917. Population 5,520,535.
They don't need to know all that.
No.
It's an area. This is how big it is. This cute little picture on here of the summer. Right there. Y'all don't mind my nails. They just came off today at work. All right.
They have Taffel heart. What are those chips? Taffel hearts. They have Mini Moomin.
Mini Moomin. Carl
Phaser May
Tosukla.
A Tupla Maxi.
Yeah, Maxi. A gym bar. Broadway sour cream and onion. Geisha. Tyrkisk. Pepper. Hot and sour.
Susa.
Susu.
Oh, Susu.
Susu bar and
Salmiakki.
Yes, salmiakki.
Salmiakki.
The thumbnail. You do the thumbnail? You do the thumbnail?
Oh.
Yeah, go ahead. Finland. Okay, good. Faye has the honors today. Got his chest feeling all nice.
And so
I hope these are good. I'm excited.
they look decent. We are going to try which one? This heart. Forgot the name of it already.
It's right there.
No, it's not. It says hearts. Taffel.
Taffel snacks hearts.
The Taffel heart.
Corn snacks with nacho cheese flavor. Nacho. Come on, we gotta be extra. Nacho.
Let me try it.
Where the nacho cheese at?
Not bad.
Now okay.
They got a little tang to it.
It kicks in.
That's good. The second one is better.
Right, that don't hit your back of your neck. Right here, like the taste. This.
That's really good.
I give that a 10 out of 10.
Okay, Finland. So far, so good. Real good.
Thing half air. But anyways, we are gonna try the sour cream and onion Broadway Taffel. These chips.
Say it right.
I mean, I was reading it. It smells stale as a mother.
They do smell stale.
It tastes fresh.
Okay, them things hit after like the third crunch. You getting it everywhere?
Hey, good. I know.
All right, Finland, yeah.
Intertwine my arm.
Mm.
Try the Moomin fruit candies.
You already know I love me some candy.
There's, and there. Okay, Monsiki is strawberry. Applecini is orange. How do I say? Parina. Parina. I think you gotta roll your tongue on that. I can't roll my tongue.
Yeah, that's pear.
That's pear. And
I don't know how to pronounce that.
but that's pomegranate.
That's pomegranate.
Wait, I'm gonna give it a try. It says granati. I'm just opening it, so I can't read it.
I like candy. What it smell like? Okay, it smell like gummies.
It smells like actual. It smells like.
So wait. Can we show them what character is this supposed to be?
Interesting.
Y'all see that? Y'all know what they taste like? Fruit roll-ups. Am I lying?
No, you ain't. You are not lying.
They taste like fruit roll-ups as a gummy.
Things are
Green.
good.
They're good.
Ooh, man, these are good. Shoot. 10 out of Finland.
You
Finland.
doing your thing, Finland. Come on with it, Finland. Okay, Finland.
We are gonna try the Turkisk pepper, the hot and sour.
See, the last time we had something that was hot, that was sour and supposed to be, those look good. Couldn't even finish my sentence.
You can smell the heat and the sweet.
Look at how nice.
I know y'all heard that. You can smell the heat and the sweet. You can smell the heat and the sweet.
You can smell the heat and the sweet. Smell the heat, ayy. Smell the sweet, ayy. On the packaging has the hot and sour meter. So it says hot and sour, and it goes up to 3 flames, and it's at 2 flames. So we gonna see. Go ahead and pick your color, babe.
I'm gonna pick my plum.
What color you got?
I got blue.
You got blue? All right, I want to try blue too. I'll try blue with you. You know I don't really like hot stuff. What? It starts coming around a little bit.
I'm waiting for the hot.
Maybe it's on the inside. Probably gotta bite it. It's a hard candy. It's not gummy.
You can take. I don't like the taste.
I'm gonna try to bite it. Whoa.
That's disgusting.
Let me break something down to y'all. He over there searching his life away. Let me get some of that too. Let me just run by y'all what just happened. Babe, why you spit it out in the box though?
It was a reaction. My goodness.
At least it doesn't dye your tongue. We were tasting the outside of that candy, and it did not amount up to the way that it looked, the flavor of it. It was supposed to be sour on the outside, which it really wasn't. It was more just sweet and whatever like the flavor of the candy was, but I couldn't even tell what flavor it was. But once you bit into it, y'all know them little fuzzy things, them little hard candy fuzzies where you bite into it and the middle fizzes out? Well, it was kind of like that, but it didn't fizz out. The stuff in the middle is supposed to be spicy, like hot.
I give that a -4.
That stuff in the middle tasted so nasty.
Finland was doing good.
They were
too.
on a roll, like 3 things. If this stuff didn't have that whatever crap in the middle,
it would be a
decent 4. Okay, 6.
6, yeah.
And I want to see what. I mean, they probably all taste the same in the middle because it's like that hot stuff in the middle.
You would try it.
But I want to see what the.
I'm not doing it no more.
The outside of the candy is not bad. They just need to take that stuff out in the middle. Like, that's not good. On to the next.
We are gonna try some geisha milk chocolate. Milk chocolate with soft hazelnut filling.
Look, this package was by the door on our doorstep, and it's hot
89
outside.
degrees.
It's 89 degrees outside.
That's what my car said.
Yeah, this thing a little melted. It's in little squares, but it's like melted all in one bar right now. Tastes like a candy bar with hazelnut in it.
The Carl Phaser. It is milk chocolate and made in Finland. Who knew? Wow, who knew it was made in Finland? I didn't know. It looks just
exactly like the geisha. Geisha. It's just regular chocolate. Bite into it.
Straight chocolate.
It's just straight chocolate? Oh, I don't know if I want that. How it taste?
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad at all.
It's not bad at all. It's just chocolate. Nothing in the middle. Just pure chocolate. But it tastes good. It's good chocolate.
Susu!
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 I didn't mean to do that, y'all.
Original.
I can't read whatever Finland language is. More chocolate. Yeah.
Chocolate!
Oh, this is what it's looking like.
Like a turtle head.
Y'all remember when? Y'all remember that episode of SpongeBob when Squidward had his first Krabby Patty? And he didn't really want to taste it, but his little horse teeth came out. He was like,
Famous.
it's not peanut butter. It's like Crunch Bar. It's the little balls inside.
There's caramel in the middle.
Is it? Let me see.
That's caramel. I used to love caramel. I used to love caramel when I was younger, but now it's like.
That's okay.
Tubla! Maxi.
Hold up, that caramel got an aftertaste to it. Maxi.
Tubla!
Maxi. All this chocolate got me bummed out. I'm finna eat some of these.
Stop making my tummy hot. Look like a monkey log.
There's two.
There's two.
There's 2 pieces. Like the 2 pieces of Kit Kat. I mean, not Kit Kat. The 2 pieces of Snickers that's in one wrapping. The 2 little logs like that.
It's chocolate with nuts over it with chocolate in the middle.
I think I might have to skip out on that.
And the chocolate in the middle is thick.
I don't like thick chocolate. Like fudge. Like fudge.
Yeah.
Ugh.
No. Next, we are going to eat some
Don't yell.
jam. It is chocolate. This says chocolate on it. Filled
Chocolate. Chocolate. That's what it says. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Filled is FYLLD CHOKLAD. Chocolate.
It might be dark chocolate.
I despise dark chocolate.
I know y'all see that white filling. I can't tell what the white filling is. I can't tell what it tastes like. It's not bad,
That's
but
coconut.
it's not coconut. It's fruitier. It's not bad, but I just don't really feel like eating chocolate.
I know exactly what you The final salmiakki. No, salmiakki.
Miyaki.
Some cigarettes. You know how the people do it?
It's not cigarette.
It look like Lego pieces. Is that a gummy?
Yeah.
So it's a gummy. It has F on it. The letter F. F is for friends who do.
Can y'all see the letter F?
I'm trying.
Was that me?
Yes.
It's licorice. Throw the whole box away. Finland, you had us 3 snacks in. You had us 3 snacks in, Finland. Before we just we was not messing with nothing else. And we spilled half the box on
You spilled.
I spilled half the box on the floor.
It was all you.
But you know who would like this? My dad. My dad likes licorice. My favorite snacks was these gummies. What were they called? I want to try to
The
pronounce
Moomin.
The Moomin. The fruit candies. And then the
Sweet and sour cream and onion.
Broadway chips.
And
Oh, if I had to rate these, because these are your 3 favorite, right?
10 all around.
All 10. Okay, so if I had to rate these top 3, so 3 would be least favorite. Number 1 would be my favorite. This will be 3. Sour cream and onion will be 3.
2.
This will be 2. And this will be my number 1.
Moomin number 1. I like Moomin.
But listen, y'all, these heart nacho cheese flavor snacks,
They be kicking.
they good for real.
Yeah.
I got you, baby. Until next time.
Thank you all for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Love, peace, and happiness.
I hope y'all had a good day.
We love y'all.
We love you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit post notifications, please. Comment. Tell me if you like this. And share it to your best friend.
With my girlfriend, me and you together, baby girl, into the world end. All I wanted is a girlfriend. All I wanted is a girlfriend. You ain't got nothing.